Here's how to block adult sites on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to block all adult or pornographic websites, I'll show you exactly how to do that. We're going to use the screen time on your iPhone. So head into the settings and then scroll down and tap on screen time. The first thing that you want to make sure to do is if you're setting this up for a child or somebody else's iPhone, tap on lock screen time settings and then set a screen time passcode that they will not be able to guess. This essentially prevents them from changing this. And so after you set it, you don't necessarily need to do this. You can hit cancel and skip, or you can sign in with your Apple ID. Now, after we've done that, let's block those adult websites. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then toggle this on. You'll need to enter in that screen time passcode, so let me just do that. And tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. This limits all of the content. For apps and movies, you might also want to limit the content on here. For instance, apps you can set to 18 plus or 13 plus. But we're going to choose web content and set it to limit adult websites. Now it says limit access to known adult websites, automatically specify websites to allow or restrict. So if this catches websites that you want to basically be allowed, you can always hit allow or add website to manually allow a certain one. Or if that filter doesn't catch a website, you can also just go to never allow and add a website on here that you never want to allow no matter what. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video or it legitimately helped you, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help me. Thanks, guys.